In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get an internet browser here on a PS5 in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top right corner and go ahead and select settings to bring up a page that looks like this. Open up your network settings, hit connection status, and go down to the view PlayStation network status right here and open it up. And from here, what you're going to want to do is scroll down to the very bottom and find this little tab right here. There's two things you're going to want to select on here. It might be blog, it might be about us. It's going to be one of these two options for you, and you might have to select both to find it. But essentially, open up both of these tabs and just scroll down until you find a tab for stay connected. This might be down towards the very bottom. It might be in the middle of the page. It really is random, but essentially find the YouTube link on here and open this up. Once you open this up, wait for it to load, and it's going to be the PlayStation YouTube channel. Hit sign in up at the very top and then hit privacy just like so. Then from here, select these little app icons right here, select Google search, and this is going to be the fully functioning web browser. So you can really search for whatever you would like. For example, I'm just going to search for just pause, just like so. Hit enter, and then from here, as you can see, you now have full web access. So you could really search for whatever you'd like. If you do search for me though, make sure you subscribe while you're at it. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.